Are you looking for help with solar panel marketing? Now, growing a solar panel business shouldn't feel like rolling a dice, but every month you find yourself waiting for referrals, depending on lead generation companies, and wondering where your next customer will actually come from. And that can be exhausting, unpredictable, and really frustrating. And the worst part of it is right now, people in your area are actively searching for solar panels, but instead of finding you, they're calling your competitors because they show up where it most matters. And that is at the top of the Google page. And if you're not there, you're invisible. Now, think about this. When you need a service, where do you go? Do you scroll endlessly on social media, hoping an ad convinces you? Or do you go straight to Google and conduct a search? Your customers do exactly the same thing. When someone types in something like, let's say, for example, best solar panel companies near me into Google, they're not just browsing, they are ready to buy. In other words, they've got an intention to get in touch with someone to find a solution because they're looking for solar panels. And the businesses that show up on the Google page, they are the people that are getting the calls. So it's time for them to get a sale. So the real question is, will they call your business or will they call somebody else's business? Because you're nowhere to be seen, but they are. Now, if you're tired of chasing leads and want a steady, predictable way to attract high quality solar customers, you need to be where they are searching already and where they're actually looking at, which is Google. And that's why we help solar panel companies with the solar growth system to get more business flowing to you, more leads, inquiries coming directly to yourselves. We help solar panel businesses to rank at the top of the Google page so that when customers come, they find you instead of finding your competitors. We help solar panel businesses to generate a consistent number of leads every single week. So no more feast or famine cycles. It's all predictable. And we help solar panel companies to convert those leads into paying customers using a proven, scalable system. So it's not just about getting the leads. It's about once you've got the leads, how do you convert the leads into a paying customer? And we do all this using three powerful methods. The first method is using Google Maps, which is your local advantage. Have you ever noticed that when you're conducting a local business search, Google Maps is what shows up with the three companies at the top of the Google page? That's the Google Maps local 3-pack, as they so call it. And if your business isn't there, you're missing out on a flood of ready to buy customers. We help you to get ranked in the top 3 for solar panel searches in your local area so you can attract local leads. We help you to get onto the Google business profile, and we help your profile to stand out a lot more than your competitors. And what we also help you do is we work at a strategy of how you're going to collect more 5-star reviews. So when they find you, they trust you instantly. And once you're there, what happens when you're there? Your phone starts to ring without spending a dime on ads. The second method that we use is SEO, which is your long-term growth engine. Now let's talk about free organic traffic. Right now, when someone searches for best solar companies in your local area, or how much do solar panels cost, or solar panel installation tax credits, for example, in your area, or grants, what's the first thing that they see? Do they find you? If your website isn't on the first page of Google, your competitors are the people that are going to get the business instead of you. And that's why we help you to rank prominently, permanently at the top of the Google page, because more visibility means more leads without paying for ads. Google sees you as the trusted provider, which then equates to more customers. And what you end up getting is a steady stream of inbound leads every single month, all on autopilot. Just imagine having free organic traffic coming to your business 24 hours, 7 days a week. How much would that change your business? Third method, although there are many ways that we can help you get qualified leads for solar panels. The third method is using Google Ads. And Google Ads is your instant leads, your instant growth strategy. Because where SEO is a long-term strategy, but you want leads right now. And that's where Google Ads comes in. The problem is most businesses waste their money on ads which don't actually convert. They target the wrong keywords. They attract the wrong audiences. They burn cash without the cash turning into leads or customers. They're targeting the wrong areas. They're using the wrong strategies. We do things differently because what we do is that we target high intent keywords so that your ads are only being shown to people who are actively looking for a solar panel company. And what we do is that we eliminate wasted ad spend so that every dollar works for you. So you instantly appear at the top of the Google page ahead of your competitors. And what this results in is more qualified leads, more bookings, more appointments, and more sales. And the best part is that unlike social media ads, Google Ads attracts customers who are already searching for you. They're ready to buy. And all you have to do is to show up or pick up the phone. Right now, your competitors are winning, not because they're better than you, but because they are visible and they're visible on Google. Because every day that you wait, you're leaving money on the table. With the solar growth system, you can then stop relying on referrals or lead generation companies because they are not predictable and they're not scalable. You can then start to build your own sustainable lead system. You can take control of your business. We've helped so many different solar businesses go from barely getting any leads to fully booked out diaries in just a few months. And now it's your turn. Now, what I'd like you to do today is that you've got a choice. And the choice is you can keep doing what you've been doing, keep hoping for referrals, keep relying on unpredictable lead generation companies, or you can take control. You can build a better, predictable, scalable system and attract those people who are actively looking for solar panels. If you're ready to stop chasing leads and attracting high-end customers who are ready to buy, then let's talk. Click the link below and schedule a quick strategy call with either myself or a member of my team. There'll be no pressure, no fluff, just a clear plan to help your business grow. But don't wait. And that's a common mistake a lot of companies are making. They're waiting. Every day you delay, your competitors are the ones who aren't taking the leads which you otherwise deserve to get. So click on the link below. Let's jump onto a call and let's get started. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Goodbye for now.